Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to get Sainsbury's Nectar card. So in order to get a Sainsbury's Nectar card, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go to this link, that is sainsbury.co.uk/GOLUI Nectar, and that's going to take you to their official page. While you're on this page, you have to go to the Nectar section, and as you press on the Nectar section, then you need to scroll down a bit. You should be able to read all of these information. Then you'll be able to see this option as join Nectar. You could go ahead and press that. Then you'll be taken to their official page where you have to start with the registration. Now accept all the cookies and click on join now and accept all the cookies and register yourself into a Nectar card. When you're done registering, then you could go ahead and pick your Nectar card from any of these stores after 14 days of your registration. So in that way, you can apply for a Sainsbury's Nectar card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.